Model, 2013 Renault Trafic VIVARO SL27dCi 115 factory-fitted crew cab needs gearbox. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 198,486. MOT, 30 August 2024. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: the engine is perfect, but the gearbox will need repairing or replacing. First and second gear are almost non-existent. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition. Interior is indecent, average condition. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI,